If you've ever felt like your PowerPoint slides look a little too static or flat, rotating shapes is one of the simplest ways to add energy and clarity to your design. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it so you can upgrade your presentations with just a few clicks. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer and head into the presentation you want to work on. You can open an existing project or create a fresh blank slide. Either works perfectly. Once you're inside, navigate to the slide that contains the shape you want to adjust. If you don't have one inserted yet, just go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and choose a shape that fits the purpose of your slide. After placing the shape, click on it to select it. You'll notice a border appear around it with small circles or squares. These are your handles. But the real tool you want is the small circular arrow at the top. That's your rotation control. Click and hold that arrow, then move your mouse left or right. You'll see the shape smoothly rotate in any direction, giving you full 360-degree control. Feel free to experiment with different angles until the layout looks balanced, dynamic, or aligned with the flow of your content. If you want even more precision, PowerPoint gives you that too. With the shape selected, head up to the Format tab. Look for the Rotate option, then choose More Rotation options. Here, you can type in an exact angle, perfect when you need clean, consistent alignment across multiple shapes or slides. Rotating shapes might seem like a small detail, but it has a big impact. It can guide attention, improve readability, and make your entire presentation feel more polished and intentional. And once you start exploring angles and layouts, you'll realize how much creativity this simple tool unlocks. And that's all it takes. Now you know how to rotate any shape in Microsoft PowerPoint and elevate the design of your slides with confidence. Keep experimenting, keep designing, and enjoy building presentations that truly stand out.